Hi viewers, this video is for the explanation of library module in our ERP software. So this is the home page of our ERP software. Click on library, give username and password and click on remember me and sign in. So this is the home page. So here in the library management drop down, you can upload books, you can set library limitations, you can generate barcodes, and you can check the transactions and all. So let's first check out the books upload. Here you can upload all the book details through an Excel sheet. So to start uploading the books, click on the category type and choose the category, general or reservation. Then click on choose file to select the data sheet. But before uploading that, click on view reference to download the template. This is an Excel sheet which can be used to upload the data. So open the sheet. Here this is the format which has to be followed to upload the data. So this template should include the material type, publisher, accession number, author, language, category, title, ISBN and all the details required. So use this template and fill the data in the same format. Now let's go back. Here click on choose file and select the data sheet. Now click on open. Okay, so this is the sheet we are going to upload. Now click on upload. So here in the sheet, the accession number depends upon the quantity of the books you are uploading. So here we are uploading 5 books. Current accession number is 24500. So to give the next accession number, we'll add 5 to the number and we'll give the next accession number. That means 24500 plus 5 would be the next accession number. So the rest of the details like edition, pages, volume and the barcode number, this can be found with the book details easily. Okay, let's go back. Now click on upload to upload the document. So here you will get the barcode number. Here as you can see there are 5 barcodes because the quantity of the books are 5. So we got 5 barcodes here. So these barcodes can be printed here and can be sticked on the books. So now let's go to here in the reservation category, these books can be issued only to the students who are in reservation category. These books can be issued to the general category students. So you can know if a student is from a general category or reservation category from the data we are uploading in the admin module. So the procedure would be same to upload the books for the reservation category here. So now let's check out library limitations. Here the librarian can set all the limitations for the library. Here select the role and the material type you are setting the limitations for, and then set the maximum allowed quantity of the books and maximum days allowed and fine per day, number of renewal limits. You can set all the limitations here, and you can also edit the details you have given here. So here you can set the limitation for the staff also. You can modify the details by clicking on the green icon, make the changes here as required, and then click on submit. So these changes will be saved. Okay, now let's check the other page, barcode generation. So if you have missed any barcodes for the books, you can generate it here. First give the accession number of the book, and then give all the details, other details like material type, category type, title, author, publisher, and all the details here, and click on generate to generate the barcode. Here the same thing, you can see the barcode here. You can print this and you can stick on the books. And here the accession number is mandatory to get the details of the book and to generate the barcode. So now let's check out the other page, that is transactions. Here you can check the transaction of all the books, like the issuance, the returns, and the total transactions. So now let's check the issuance. Select the student and select the hall ticket number of that student. So here you can find the list of the details of the book that has been issued to that student. You can find the accession number, the title of the book, the barcode number of that book, the category, publisher, author, all the details that you require. And if you want to issue any book to the student, give the accession number of that particular book in the search bar here, like this, and then click on issuance to successfully issue that book to the student. And as you observe, when you give the accession number here, you will find all the details of that particular book in the below list. And also, as we have issued one more book here, we can see the details of that book here in the list in serial number 2. So now let's check returns. Here, if a student wants to return the book, just give the accession number of that book, and then you can find the details of the book, like to whom it was issued, the date of issue, the due date, and the last day. All the details you can find here in the list. And if the student keeps the book beyond the due date, they have to pay some fine, which we have set in the library limitation. And if the student wants to keep the book for longer, then they can renew the book. Just click on the renewal book given here to renew this book for the student. And if he wants to return the book, then just click on the return book given here. So now let's check out transactions. Select the user role here and select the roll number. You'll find the books issued, returned, like all the transactions of that student here. So you can see the issue date, the due date, and if the student has returned the book, you can see the return date also here. And if the student has paid some fine, you can see that detail also here in the list. Use the search bar given here to search for any particular book by giving the barcode number or accession number here. So now let's check reserve transactions. So this transactions and reserve transactions both are same, just the difference here is the books that are reserved for the reservation category students can be issued and returned here. So give the roll number of the reservation category student, or you can also search using the search bar given here. Just enter the accession number to find the detail of that particular book. And in this section where the roll number is given, the roll numbers of only reservation category students can be given here. Here the procedure would be same, just give the roll number of the student to get the details, and to issue any book, give the accession number of that book in the search bar given, and then click on issuance to issue that book. Here there are no limitations. The reservation category student can keep the books for as many days as they want. The book need not be renewed, and there won't be any fine on that student for keeping it longer. Now let's check out returns. Here give the accession number in the given search box. You will find the details of that book. Here the due date is not given as there aren't any limitations. So just click on return book to return the given book here. Okay, now let's check out the transactions. Here give the roll number of the student to find the transactions, all the transactions of the books issued and returned. So next let's go to waiting list. Here if you want to add a book to the waiting list or check the way if the book is in the waiting list, they can just select the user role here and select the material type and click on show waitlist data to see what's the availability of that book, and click on add to add the details of the student or faculty in the waiting list. So here in the wait list you can see the user role, that is the student or faculty, the user ID, that is their hall ticket number or employee ID, the book that they are waiting for, the title of the book, and the waiting date. So you can also delete that detail. And here in this add section you have to add the user role, the material type, the user ID, that is their roll number or the employee ID, and the title of the book they want to wait for, and click on submit. Here you can check the waiting list again, select the user role and select the material type. Say in the list you can see the book you have recently added in the waiting list. You can delete any book from the waiting list by clicking on the red icon given here. So now let's check out books. Here all the books uploaded in the books upload section can be viewed and modified. So to modify any books from the list, click on the green icon given here on the right to modify it. Make necessary changes here and click on submit to make any changes, and you can also delete this by clicking on the red icon given. Click on yes. Okay, then if you want to search for any particular book, give the acquisition number of that book in the search bar given and you can find the details of that book. So here click on add book to add the details of any new book. Give all the details and click on submit. Okay, this is it for the view books. Now let's check audit reports. So here in the audit reports you can find the transactions of all the books. Just select the category type, user role and material type to find the list of the books and its transactions. So you can find all the details like the barcode number, issue date, due date, return date, all the details of the books, and you can also find the user ID to whom it was issued. So you can also download this report by giving the start date and end date. You have to set the duration of the report, and after clicking the date you will find the download option here. Click on download to download this report of all the transactions. So you will get something like this when you click on download, which has all the data, which has all the transactions. Let's go back. And here in the circulars you can find the circulars related to the institution. All the circulars here you can be viewed and downloaded. So this is it for the library management software. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.